Science Geeks, two small steps towards bigger dreams channel. This is electricity chapter 12 और इसके हम लोग आज एक्टिविटीज़ देखने वाले हैं. तो 12.1 एक्टिविटी हमसे क्या कहती है, सीधा मैं जंप ऑन करूँगी एक्टिविटीज़ पे. वी आर हैविंग निक्रोम वायर एंड वी आर टेकिंग निक्रोम वायर्स, देन वी हैव टेकन सो मैनी बैटरीज, वी हैव एमीटर, वी हैव वोल्ट मीटर, राइट. सो हाउ इज़ दिस वर्किंग एंड व्हाट इज़ दिस बेसिकली. तो सबसे पहले आपको पता होना चाहिए कि निक्रोम वायर इज़ an alloy and it is made up of nickel, manganese and chromium. It offers high resistance to the electrical conductivity. Okay, so ये है क्या, this just hold on to this thought and I will come to this particular section again. Now what I'm saying is, you first, that is the first thing you should know, that nichrome is made up of nickel, chromium and manganese. Now second thing is, there is some ammeter and voltmeter given over here, right? So always remember children that ammeter is stays always in the loop or in the circuit, electrical circuit. It is in series, it is in series of electrical circuit. What is ammeter? By ammeter is a device to measure current. SI unit of current is ampere, right? And so in order to measure current we need some device, so that is ammeter. So that ammeter is always going to be in the electric circuit only, right? Obviously, because how else is going to measure the current. Now what is this V? This V is voltmeter. What is voltmeter? This is the third thing to remember. You should know what is the voltmeter. So voltmeter is a device to measure the potential difference. Okay, potential difference is symbolized by alphabet V, and the SI unit of the potential difference is volt, right? So how are you going to measure the potential difference? Through a voltmeter device. Okay, this is the third thing. And remember that voltmeter always be opposite, connected and opposite to the electrical circuit loop. ठीक है ना? ammeter will be inside the electrical circuit loop and voltmeter will be connected to the electrical circuit loop, but it will be opposite. It will not be inside or going through it continuously. Okay, that is the third point to know. Now over here children, why what is happening over here, let us see. ठीक है ना? So if we are adding, let's say if we are adding one battery, ठीक है ना, if we are adding one battery, so we know that potential difference is directly proportional to current. Okay, potential difference is directly proportional to current means if potential difference is increasing, current will also increase. If this is decreasing, current will also decrease, provided means if temperature remains same and R is constant. Okay, this is my Ohm's law. So what is my Ohm's law is stating कि at a fixed temperature voltage is directly proportional to current, potential difference is directly proportional to current. V I said, right? V is for voltage, right? SI unit is volt, right? Now that's why we can write it like this. V is directly proportional to I when temperature and resistance are fixed. That is, this is the Ohm's law formula. V is equal to IR, right? है ना? So just do not look into this line right now. I will come back to this line. है ना? अब हमारे को पता चल गया कि V is the one which is influencing current. So that means if V is increasing, R also current also increases. If V is decreasing, then current also decreases, right? That is what my Ohm's law is stating. Provided my temperature is remaining same and R is constant, means R is not either decreasing nor neither increasing. So अब ये हमसे क्या कह रहा है? ये कह रहा है कि अगर हमारे पास एक बैटरी है ना, तो एक बैटरी है तो ऑब्वियसली माई करंट विल बी सेम, है ना. इफ आई एम इंक्रीजिंग इट टू 2 बैटरीज देन माई करंट विल बिकम 2 in double flow. If I am putting 3 batteries, then my current will become triple in the value. If I am increasing adding 4 batteries, then my current also increases. Now let's say over here, see हमारे पास 1.5 का वोल्ट था, तो एट दैट टाइम वी वर हैविंग लेट्स से 0.5 एम्पियर्स करंट इन वन बैटरी. ठीक है ना. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, हम लोगों ने इसको 3 कर दिया, वी हैव डबल्ड इट, राइट. सो हमारा करंट भी डबल हो गया. अगेन वी हैव इंक्रीज द वैल्यू 1.5, अगेन द करंट हैज़ बीन इंक्रीज 0.5, राइट. अगेन 1.5 वैल्यू वी हैव इंक्रीज, वी हैव रीच टू 6 वोल्ट, है ना, इन द फोर्थ बैटरी. नाउ व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, करंट ऑल्सो इंक्रीज, इट बिकेम टू 2 एम्पियर्स. ठीक है ना. अब इनका रेशो अगर हम निकालेंगे, जस्ट टू जस्टिफाई दिस स्टेटमेंट दैट V is always proportional to I, just to justify this statement, what we are getting 3 dividing 3 up by 1 3, 4.5 by 1.5 3, 6 by 2 3. Okay, this is justifying this fact that v is always proportional to I. Okay, that is what this is also saying, right? V is also क्या कहते हैं, directly proportional to I. V by I is equal to constant. What is constant? My R is constant right now. That is what they are saying in a figure. If you want to show, if you are making a diagram or graph of potential difference in current, line will be always straight. Why it is straight? Even though if you are getting to, you know, this it will if this is increasing, this will also increase. If this is increasing, this will also increase, right? Decreasing to decrease, increasing to increase. Understanding my point now, children? Now over here I've said not to read this part, right? This line. So what this line is saying, resistance will be inversely proportional to the current, right? So how are we going to write it in the formula? R is equal to I by V. This is a very important formula. These two formulas are very important in this chapter. These two formulas are going to revolve and rotate and going to come in many different things, right? So what is this R? What is R and what is resistance? ठीक है ना? तो resistance is symbolized by R, capital R, and it is the property of a conductor to resist what it is resisting. Resisting means stopping or reducing. Okay, what it is stopping or reducing? Flow of charges. That is current. Flow of charges means if the charges are going to flow, then only the current will pass, right? So flow of charges, they are reducing or stopping. So at SI unit of resistance is ohm. Okay, so how you going to write that ohm? Like this. This is a Greek word and you write it like this. Okay, now there is something which I wanted to tell you. There is some device which controls or changes the resistance in any circuit, electrical circuit. Okay, so what is that device? That device is rheostat. Rheostat device is always used to change resistance in a circuit. If I have to increase the resistivity, my current will decrease. If I have to decrease the resistivity, my current will increase. But how I'm going to do that increasing and decreasing of resistance? I can do that with rheostat device. And when I'm increasing or decreasing the resistance, that is called variable resistance. See, a component used to regulate current without changing the voltage. I am not changing potential difference, I am just regulating current. Okay, source is called variable resistance and it can be done by the rheostat. Okay children, I hope you understand 12.1 activity. More videos are going to come. Stay tuned. This is me, Alice Raj, and I am signing off. I hope you guys understood the activity which I have told you in this video, particularly of 12th chapter NCERT books में से 10th class की electricity chapter. Okay, I am going to be, after this activity explanation, I am going to be teaching you or giving you the explanation of the electricity chapter also. So stay tuned, and you can see there are so many videos, more than 150 videos on this channel. You can see them and share them. Mostly I have shared or told or explained about 10th class. I'm going to be explaining about the 9th class and 8th class soon enough, once I'm going to be completing the portion with the 10th. So share it with your 10th mates, and do give it a like and thumbs up, and comment down in the comment section below that it was good or bad, you understood it, was helpful or not. This is me, Alice Raj, and I'm signing off.